Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun learning activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Tasmia, and in today's activity, we will be learning about how to become researchers. We will be learning about how to use the internet to research more topics. Materials you will need are something to write with, a piece of paper, and any sort of technological device. It could be a laptop, a phone, a tablet, something that can connect to the internet. All right, researchers, let's begin.
Have you ever tried to find something on the internet but you couldn't find it? Or maybe you want to search for something but had no clue how to start? Well, today you're in luck. We will be learning some vocabulary about the internet, how to use it, and how to search effectively for things you're looking for. But before we learn how to search, we should learn the different parts of the internet, what they mean, and how to use it. Here are the vocab words that we will be looking at today. Keywords, search bar, address bar, sidebar, Control and F, and hyperlinks. Don't worry about learning the words right now. We will go through them one by one in the next few slides. The first word on our vocab list are keywords. Keywords are important words we need to use when we want to search for a specific topic. These are words that are very specific and will help you find what you need faster. The second word on our vocabulary list is a search bar. Search bar is the place in Google that we type our keywords in. Now, a search bar typically looks like this. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. It has a magnifying glass next to it. Next, we have address bar. Address bar is the place that tells you the link of the article or website you are on. So, do you remember when people ask you to copy and paste the link? This is where you get the link from. It's called the address bar. And the address bar is typically located at the very top of the internet browser. And it looks like this. It's at the very top where the tab is, and this is where you copy and paste your links. The next vocab term we have is called a sidebar. Now, this vocab term is exactly what it says. Sidebars are a bar of information on the side of an article. They can also show up on articles or textbooks, and they look like this. So this is from a Wikipedia page, but they're typically just information on the side. So this is what you would call a sidebar, where it has other information about the article, but it's always on the side of the article and not in the middle of the article. Next vocab word we have is Control and F. Now, that can be kind of funky. What does Control and F mean? Well, Control and F or Control F is a keyboard function that can help you find things faster on a website or article. So they can either be pressed at the same time, or you can press and hold the Control key first and then the letter F key. I know it seems a little confusing, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. So here's the Control button, and here's the letter F key. So what you're going to want to do is, if you're trying to find something on a website, you're going to press and hold down the Control key. Don't let go. And while you're holding on to this key, you're going to press the letter F key. And when you do, this thing comes up. And this is another search bar. And when you type in words in the search bar, it will find those words on the website for you. And it will highlight them for you as well. It's a pretty fun trick once you get the hang of it. Our last vocabulary word is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are blue underlined text when you search something on Google. You can tell when it is a hyperlink because your mouse changes from an arrow into a pointer hand. So this is what I mean. This is a hyperlink, and the reason why I know that this is a hyperlink is because it's blue and it's underlined, and when I point my mouse to it, my mouse turns into a pointer hand. I know that was a lot of information to learn, but don't worry, we will definitely review these terms throughout this activity. Now that we have these terms in our belt, it's time to learn how to search for topics on the internet. When you search, it's important to ask these 3 questions. Question 1. What's the topic? For example, let's say there's a singer you really like and you want to know more about them. The singer will be your topic. Question 2. What do you want to learn or find about this topic? For example, maybe there is a song by that singer you want to find. Question 3. What keywords should I type when searching? Maybe you know one line of the song. That line can be part of your keywords. Remember that keywords are specific words linked to your topic. The more specific they can be, the easier it can be to find your topic. Keeping these questions in mind, let's use the internet together. Let's follow the example we had before. Let's say that I was driving home and a song on the radio was playing. I only knew that the song was by Billie Eilish, and I only knew a few words from the song. But before I search anything about the song, I need to ask myself the 3 questions. So, what's the topic I'm looking for? Well, I'm looking for Billie Eilish and her songs. What do I want to find about this topic? I really want to find the specific song by Billie that I heard on the radio. So, what keywords should I type when searching? Well, I know that I'm looking for a song by Billie Eilish, so I know that Billie Eilish will be a keyword. I also know some of the lines to her song, so I think they will be important to use as keywords. That's because they are specific to what I'm searching for. Since I know what keywords to use, I'm ready to use the internet to find what I'm looking for. Let's go! I'm going to open Google. Here we have our search bar. I'm going to go and click on the search bar and type my keywords in. So the first set of keywords I'm going to type is the line that I heard, which is, I know, supposedly, I'm lonely now. Next, I'm going to type Billie Eilish. And you'll notice that as you type the right keywords, sometimes what you're searching for will show up below. Okay, I'm going to press enter and go into the search results page. I'm going to scroll down and I think I'm going to click on the first hyperlink, this one. There we go. I can't seem to find the line that I heard from the radio. So I'm going to use the Control F function. Remember that when you use the Control F function, you can hold both the Control key and the letter F key at the same time, or you can press and hold the Control key and then press the letter F key to use the function. I'm going to go ahead and press Control F, and I'm going to type in my line. I know, supposedly, I'm lonely now. Oh, I see it. It highlights for me, so now I know that the song name is My Future by Billie Eilish. Now, another way that you can search is if you use the address bar, which is the very top bar right here. I'm going to type in my keywords and press enter. So I'm going to put, I know, supposedly, I'm lonely now, Billie Eilish, and I'm going to press enter. And bam! I am back where I was before. Now it's your turn, researchers. Using your paper and pencil, answer the 3 questions before researching your topic. If you're having trouble trying to find the topic, here are some suggestions. Make sure to pause the video and come back with your findings. Alright, researchers, welcome back! I know you found some amazing things about your topic. Great job researching!
Thank you for learning with us today. Please like and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos. Until next time, bye!